Hi, everyone. For me, it's the first time here. It's a pleasure to stay here. I gotta say. Okay, today I'm gonna talk about the importance of data analytics in the telecom industry with Zabbix. Before we start, I try to take a picture, okay? Is it better, yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Raise your hands, banana. 1, 2, 3, ba. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Okay, good. My name is Hernandes. I am from Brazil, São Paulo. I'm working with Zabbix since 2011. I'm working for many projects. I work with biggest and challenging projects. I started with version 1.8 with Zabbix. I have certification. I am certified. Actually, I work at Luno, at Zabbix partner in Brazil, and I am also a speaker in Zabbix conference in Latam 22, 23, and I help the community in Brazil and sometimes international channels like Facebook and Telegram and YouTube. All the time, when and possible, I help the community with some things. Okay, good. Then, today I will talk about the challenges in the telecom industry and the telecom area. How many people here work or have customers work with internet service providers? Yes? Oh, good, good, excellent. Great. Then, we have a challenge, and in this case, my customer or my project, I have more than 1,800 OLTs and more than 20 states in Brazil. And to attend all the customers, just 280 attendants. But more than 400 customers are all the states in Brazil. Okay, good. But what's the challenge of this project? What's the challenge? In this case, I need to deliver integration, integrity, or understand the topology, the system topology, and the most important thing here is the business role, understand how the behavior of the environment of the customers, and grant for this project the performance, and then grant the performance and high availability for our environment. Okay? Good. Then, how to enhance the customer experience all the time. But not just the customer, but the company, all the process. Okay, Zabbix can help a lot about that. It's very simple. Monitor all the telco data from different sources. Okay, simple. I think all the people here do it. Prepare and build the telco data structure in Zabbix, and delivery data from Zabbix is the most important to another systems. And the most important, use the data to get improved the company process and the experience of the customers. Really, the data in this case is a gold. All the time, the data is a gold. Okay, good. What the type data we need? Okay, I think here I have some examples about the customer, about the company. I need delivery or searching for some information like contact number, index, status, signals, a lot of information about the customers. But how to deliver it is the question. How to deliver it, all the things for the customers or for the company, all the business process. Okay, good. In this case, in this project, I used 3 Zabbix servers with high availability. Good, excellent. 62 Zabbix proxies to deliver. And then 200,000 devices, monitored devices. Good. And 18,000 in VPS. Excellent, good. Here, a simple system information about Zabbix. There's nothing here. Simple overview about the project, because here I used some different technologies to deliver some information. And here is an overview. It's the same like Dimitri Bellini spoke yesterday about the different distributed services. Yes? Okay, good. The most important here, yes, understand the flow, understand how to get the data, the gold into Zabbix, okay? In the telecom, it's very common to work just to get information from SNMP protocol, and then after that, some devices or complex devices send them information with SNMP trap, okay, it's normal. And sometimes I need to get information on by HTTP agent and Zabbix agent too, to get information from CRM or APIs, some databases, organize different information across all the things. Okay, good. After that, all the information go to the Zabbix server register all the information in database, okay, good. And after that, I need to create the automation. What is the automation from templates, okay? I write a simple template by template not monitoring, and then, in this case, I prepare simple monitoring, like some items, simple items like like SNMP availability and system name. And then now I started to monitor my OLTs to get some information and provide different data from host prototypes. A great feature in Zabbix uses LLD to grant all the information from customers' side. Is that good? Okay. Excellent. From this host prototypes, I build all the information from customer side. Okay, good, excellent. For the next, here I have some information about the template, about how to build the just the image about the information. The big feature in Zabbix is pair processing, because the pair processing, it's possible to prepare, transform, create different and amazing things with pair processing. In this case, I'm using a lot of JavaScript to improve some details about the customers. Okay, good. More information, more details. On this case, on this image, I have simple information, but gold information, okay? Like location, like contract ID, client ID, and login radius. But a small part of the information from the customer. But it's not enough. I need to continue and prepare more information, okay? Using some functions, I use some macros, super macros, or red sub to create some information in Zabbix. Okay, good. The host prototype, the host was created. All the information populated with macros. Okay, you can see some macros here. And then after that, I use some master items and with dependent items, and here some problems about the view. Then a simple list about the host prototype. After that, I come back the topology. Okay, simple topology, Zabbix proxy gate the data, complex devices send the SNP trap, again, Zabbix server, and databases, register all the information in database, and then after automating it with simple information, I need to send it to another systems. Okay, good, excellent. In Zabbix 6.2, the team created a lot of scripts, to integrate with another systems on this case. But it's a problem because you have a lot of scripts. It's not so good to keep working all the scripts all the time. Yes, because the option was because using Zabbix 6.4, the Zabbix team developed the great feature called Zabbix string. It's excellent feature. Thank you, Zabbix team, for developing this feature. It's an amazing feature, helping my team, and I think it helped some people here too. And how many people are using Zabbix string now? It's good. It's very good. Okay, excellent. Well, next. Zabbix strings deliver some information. Some information was built on Zabbix, and now I created some connectors to deliver some information to another systems. Like that, I use a lot of tags. Tags is the most important thing to organize everything in Zabbix. I use it all the time. It's very useful. Tags. I recommend all the people use tags all the time. Okay, and then here, all the data from Zabbix string data, just with simple information from tags. With value tags, tag value, I have seen some information. Then now, I have simple information about the flow, the data from Zabbix string. Zabbix string send information from to Kiwi to analyze from another systems. In general, come back to another flow of the solution. Okay, Zabbix is the most important solution in this case because provide all the things to internet service providers, and it's very useful to deliver this result for everyone. Okay, Zabbix servers, I use the Zabbix string to deliver to AIM-Key, okay, is a manager of queues, and then use all the data. Do you remember when I say the gold is, the data is a gold? Yes, I use this data to introduce this data in data lake. In the data lake, I have some data warehouses, and then after all the data in data lake, I have a machine learning pipeline to learn, understand all the things in data lake, okay, and come back to deliver to another process called dispatcher. Okay, then the dispatcher, in general, delivers some information for the custom front end, customize the front end, and sometimes get information in the queue or any information on data lake too. I have one more process called Celery, can get information from the queue and then come back to the process to verify everything again. Okay, good. This is the simple flow, and now a simple view of the solution of the topology. Okay, good. And Zabbix all the time, all the problems was generated. Then after that, a simple QA overview of the environment, and then use simple images about the interface. Okay, and now the result about the simple interface when I work with the telecom industry, because some customers working with this. In this case, the team developed customized the front end to deliver the allocation, looking for the same points with attenuation in some cities of Brazil. Here I have a read map. Then you have some incidents from history by day of the week. Here I have massive incident for a region. Is the most important because the customer all the time have some incidents, but sometimes you need to check how many people stay with the same problem in or the region in the same problem. Okay, to finish, I have the massive incident analytics. All the data from Zabbix, to remember, the gold data, okay, across here. Here I have this a kind of different information from Zabbix, from CRM, from financial information, but just organize everything just in one dashboard. But here I have different sources from the problem or massive problems, like is physical or logical problems. Like that is a GPON or and more. Okay, good. Here is a simple after recover, and now is a image about the automation. It's the most important when I start this talk about. I talk about exactly about the automation. The customer needs automation and quickly the fast, okay? The turn out, take the decision much faster. Then when happen the massive problems, it's possible to one click just teaching the system to go to the data lake to check all the information, and when the call or the customer call for the service provider, just to avoid some question for the attendant, okay? But this is the one. One more is adapter. The adapter is block all the things. It's SMS too, but I think it's a very good, important information. And then this is a system provider and developed by the Luna team, but the Zabbix is the principal to work to deliver a good service from telecom industry. It's the most important service here to get data. You remember when I say the data is a gold, because Zabbix provide all the time all the data for us. Okay, this team, the Luna team, was created this project, Danilo Baus and Guanatan is a data scientist, because I think it's most important to talk about these guys, because these guys helped me a lot with this project, okay? Here is my contact. If you want available, if you want discuss more about that, please let me know. And after in the how I am available to do it, okay? This is the importance of the data analytics in telecom industry with Zabbix. This is my presentation about that. Thank you, everyone, for this time. Okay, thank you.